Semiconductors are the beating heart of the digital world, powering everything from smartphones and cloud servers to the sensors in autonomous vehicles. With billions of transistors packed into a few millimeters, these tiny chips seamlessly manage and process the data that fuels our modern lives. Without them, the digital infrastructure we rely on would simply not exist. They are the silent workhorses enabling the conveniences and innovations we often take for granted. The need for semiconductors becomes even more apparent when considering the staggering scale of data generated today. In 2023 alone, the world produced over 120 zettabytes of data, enough to fill 30 billion 4K movies. This tidal wave of information is expected to double by 2025, placing immense pressure on the systems that process and store it. Meeting this demand requires constant evolution in semiconductor technology, pushing the boundaries of what's physically and technologically possible. This is why the semiconductor industry is innovating at a breakneck pace. AI chips are revolutionizing data analysis, enabling real-time insights that drive applications like autonomous driving, personalized healthcare, and smarter cities. Simultaneously, advancements like 3D stacked memory transform data storage, providing higher capacity, faster speeds, and improved energy efficiency. Together, these technologies ensure that our devices and infrastructure can keep up with the relentless data growth. But innovation alone is not enough. Producing semiconductors capable of handling these massive data volumes requires extraordinary precision. This is where metrology comes in, a field dedicated to measuring and refining details at the atomic level. Through metrology, engineers can guarantee the reliability and performance of every chip, ensuring it operates flawlessly even under the most demanding conditions. In this way, semiconductors do not just power the digital age, they continuously evolve to sustain it. From enabling today's cutting-edge applications to building the foundation for tomorrow's innovations, these tiny chips remain at the core of our ever-connected, data-driven world.